Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Training Assignment. This is the first chapter of Exp22 course. I have done this assignment for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100. If you want me to do this complete assignment or complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My email address given below the description box. I am professional. I will provide help you in all the courses of my IT lab, my math lab, my stat lab of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Assess, Math, Stat, Business Math, Finance, Accounting, Writing, Technical Writing, all these courses. To get help in all these courses, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My email address given below in the description box. I will provide you good grades at a reasonable price. Here, first of all, we will look at the project description. You manage a company that provides corporate training workshop. Your two types clients are business people and college professors. You want to complete a spreadsheet that calculates gross revenue for upcoming training workshop. Finally, you will improve the appearance of the worksheet by applying font alignment and the number formats. First of all, start Excel, download and open the file names exp Excel Cumulative Assessment Training. Creator has automatically added your last name. So this is the assignment. As you can see, student last name will be at the start of this assignment. Here I am going to do some part of this assignment. If you want me to do this full assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. So here we are going to look at point number 2. In point number 2, it is saying your organization provide a discount to educators. However, the worksheet contains wording that need to be changed to education. Use find and replace to find teacher and replace with education. So here for this is home tab. On the home tab, we will go to find and replace, find and set. In the editing group, we will press replace, and here we will replace teacher with education. Here we will type find what, here we will type teacher and replace with education, and here we will click replace all. 3 replacement has been made. So we are done with this step. Next we will move to step number 3. In step number 3, it is saying the worksheet contains spelling errors that needed to be corrected. Checking the spelling of the worksheet and correct the errors. So we need to correct them. For this, we will. This is our worksheet. So we will click in cell A1. Next, for spelling, we will go to review. This is review tab. On the review tab, you can see different tabs. The first one is proofing. Here we will click spelling, and here we will change. As you can see, the first one for costing is not correctly spelled, so we will change it. Similarly, next analytics is not correctly spelled, so we will change it. There were 2 spelling mistakes and all are corrected now. Next, we will move to step number 4. But before starting step number 4, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will provide you help in all the academic courses, all educational courses at reasonable price. Next, it is saying step number 4. You cancelled the charting basis workshop because only 1% registered for it. Delete the row containing chart basic workshop. So for this, we will move to this Excel spreadsheet. Here, this is charting base. This is step number. This is row number 8. We will click on row number 8. So whole row is selected. We will then right click on it and click delete. So this row will be deleted. So we are done with step number 4. Next, we will move to step number 5. In step number 5, it is saying the Excel Analytic and Forecasting Training course field, and you open other courses. Insert a new row between big data foundation and data mining row. Copy row 5 and paste it into the empty row. Change the dates to June 7, 2024 in the range C7, D7. Enter 11 in G7 and 10 in H7. So all this we need to do. So here it is saying insert a new row between big data foundation and data mining. So these are the two rows. So we will click on row 7 and here we will click I will select this row and then right click and select insert. As you can see, there is a row between big data foundation and data mining. Next, what it is saying copy row 5 and paste it onto the empty row. So here we are just going to copy this row 5. I am going to copy it and paste it here. So this row has been pasted. Next, it is saying change the dates to June 7, 2024. So here we will just select June 7, 2027, and next it is saying June 7, 2024. So this is done now. Next, what it is saying C7 and D7, enter 11 in the range C7, D7. So C7 and D7 are changed. Next, it is saying 11 in G7. So here this is G7, so we have to enter 11. And next it is saying 10 in H7. So this is H7, here we are going to enter 10. So we have completed with step number 5. Next we will move to step number 6. Before starting step number 6, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete course for you and will provide good grades for you. I can also provide help in all educational courses at a reasonable price. Next, it is saying assign a code to each workshop, provide a reference number. You will use 06 to indicate a 6-month and 01 as workshop number. Type 06001 in A5 and then autofill. So here this is A5. Here we are going to type 06-00-001. It's done now. Next it is saying autofill. So we will select A5, then you can see there is a dot. We'll just move circle to that point and then double click on that, so it will be autofilled. As you can see, this series has been filled from 1 to 6. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 7. Before starting step number 7, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete course for you, this assignment, and will provide good grades for you. It is saying formats the dates in the range C5 to D10 with short date format. So here I will select from C5 to D10. This is selected. Next it is saying with short date format. So here for short date, this is home tab. We will move to home tab, and then you can see here this is date. So in the number group we will click here and we will select short date from here. As you can see, this has been changed to short date now. Next we will move to step number 8. But before starting step number 8, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this assignment for you and will provide good grades for you. Next, it is saying the worksheet contains column for the start and the end date. It will be helpful to insert a column to display number of days for each workshop. Insert a column to the right of end date column. Type number of dates in E4. So here we will click on we will select column E, and after clicking E I will just right click on it and select insert. So this will be inserted now. Next it is saying type number of days in column E4. So here number of days. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 9. Before starting step number 9, if I am professional, if you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this assignment and will provide good grade for you. This assignment is consist of 26 points. So here I am going to do 13 to 14 points for you. For the next points you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address. I will solve out for you. It is saying row 3 contains number of attendees and gross revenues main heading. Centering these headings over their respective subheading will help to clarify the details. Merge and center the cells in H3 and I3. Merge and center the range J3 to L3. So we have to merge and center. So what it is saying, merge and center H3 and I3. So I will select H3 and I3. For merging I will move to select home tab, and in alignment this is merge and center. I will click it, and similarly for next it is saying from J3 to L3. I will select from J3 to L3 and I will select merge and center. So this will be merge and center. Next we will move to step number 10. In step number 10 it is saying applying a cell style will improve the appearance of the heading on row 4. In addition, wrapping and centering the text in the heading cells will further improve the appearance of the worksheet. For the range A4 to L4, apply good cell style, wrap text and center horizontally. So it is saying for the range A4 to L4. So first we will select from A4 to L4. This is selected, and next it is saying apply good cell style. So here I will select in this home tab, in styles, cell style, I will select good cell style. This is done. Next it is saying wrap text and center horizontally. So for this I will move to home tab. This is the wrap text option. This is done, and next I will select center horizontally. So this will center it. Next I will move to step number 11. Before starting step number 11, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this assignment for you and will provide good grade for you. Next it is saying in cell E5 enter a formula to calculate number of days for the first workshop. Add 1 to result to indicating total number of day, including start date and end date. The result may display in date number format. Copy the formula. So here we will just calculate number of days. So we will subtract end date from start date and then we'll add 118. As you can see, this is displaying at that as date. I will just click at the right bottom and just fill it, so it will be filled down till the end. Next we will move to step number 12. Before starting step number 12, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, I can do this complete course for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. It is saying the number of days result shows dates rather than the value. Applying number format will solve it. Apply number format with 0 decimal places and center the result horizontally in E5 to E10. So I will select from E5 to E10, and here I will click here and select number, and then here I will click number format, and reduce the decimal places to 0. So this is done. Next it is saying center the result horizontally. So here I will just center it, so it will be center. Next we will move to step number 13. Step number 13, what it is saying, it is saying the gross revenue is calculated by typing by type of customer. In column J is designed to display the gross revenue for the corporate customers. In cell J5, enter a formula to calculate gross corporate revenue for the first workshop by multiplying cost per attendees by the number of corporate attendees. Copy the formula from J6 to J10. Cost of attendees by number of attendees. So here gross revenue, cost per attendees multiply by number of attendees. So I will just select it and copy this formula downwards. So this is done now. I have completed 13 points for you. This assignment is consist of 26 points. Half of assignment is done. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then I can do it for you at a reasonable price. And if you want me to do other courses as well, then you can contact me as well. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.